Remove the locking piece and all gaskets. Place a thin bead of silicone caulk where the attachment ring meets the thread. Place the rubber gasket over that, press gently, and then place another thin bead of caulk around the rubber gasket. Smooth the silicone to ensure complete coverage. Place the column base into the pre-drilled hole. Place the metal washer onto the bottom of the shower column base and screw on the locking piece. Tighten securely. Do not over-tighten. Tighten each screw snugly, but don't over-torque. Your shower column base is now set and watertight.